Hey guys,
Hey
today we're
guys.
going to make fireworks in a jar and Riley's going to help me. We thought fireworks in a jar might be a little bit fun with Canada Day tomorrow and the lack of fireworks in Sudbury this year. Seems a little bit odd. So to start, you're going to need some water and a little bit of oil
Yeah.
and some food coloring.
Yeah.
And we're going to go ahead and put a whole bunch of drops in the food coloring, or in the oil. Using some red and some blue. Add in some green. A little bit more blue. And you see how there's like little balls in the oil? Well, we're going to give it a mix. Riley, can you mix that for Mom, please?
Yeah. Is that enough?
Let Mom see? Perfect. And then we're going to take that and we're going to pour it into our water.
And then pour. And see how it rises up?
We're going to see all the colors fall pretty soon. So we're going to watch all the bubbles form. And then soon all the colors are going to start to fall because the oil is thicker than the water. The oil sits at the top. Oh look, it's starting. What color is that starting?
Blue.
And what color is starting over here?
Green.
And a little bit of red over on the side. And we just made fireworks in a jar.
Yeah. Bye, guys.